Today, I'm giving you the complete Volkswagen EEPROM Programmer software, which is incredibly easy to use. This program is designed for older car models, but it's highly useful when it comes to Immo Off solutions. Reading and clearing fault codes, airbag resets, and reading PIN codes, as well as the other options you'll see in this video. The best part is that it works with a standard Diagnostics cable, which costs just a few dollars. I've also tested it with a BMW Diagnostics cable, and it works perfectly too. To show your support, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Next, I'm going to show you how to download the software for free and how to install it. The download link is included in the video description. Just a quick note. It is very important to set your interface to the same COM port as the one in the program when using it. Copy the link from the description and paste it into your browser. After that, the website will open up just like it's shown in the video. Download the software and get ready for the next step. After downloading, open the files. And before anything else, copy the password that we need for the installation. After that, run the installation. When you reach the part where a password is required, simply paste the password you already copied. The rest of the procedure is standard and is shown in the video. If you have any questions or run into any issues while using it, leave a comment and I'll be happy to help you out for free. I hope this program will be helpful to you.